Botswana is a landlocked country located in southern Africa. It gained independence from Britain in 1966 and has since been a stable democratic country. The country is known for its diverse wildlife and is home to numerous national parks and game reserves. The Okavango Delta, located in northern Botswana, is the largest inland delta in the world. Botswana is one of the least densely populated countries in the world, with a population of around 2.3 million people. The capital city of Botswana is Gaborone, which is also the largest city in the country. Botswana is a land of contrasts, with vast deserts in the southwest and lush wetlands in the north. The country is rich in natural resources, including diamonds, which are a major source of revenue. Botswana is one of the most stable countries in Africa, with a strong economy and low corruption levels. The official language of Botswana is English, but Setswana is widely spoken throughout the country. Botswana is home to a unique mix of cultures, with influences from the San, Bantu, and European settlers. Traditional music and dance are an important part of Botswana's culture, with the Kalahari and Tswana people known for their vibrant performances. Botswana is a popular destination for safari tours, with tourists flocking to see the country's diverse wildlife. The country is known for its large elephant population, with the Chove National Park being one of the best places to see them. Botswana is a leader in ecotourism, with a strong focus on sustainable development and conservation. The currency of Botswana is the pola, which means rain in Setswana. Botswana has a strong education system, with free primary and secondary education available to all citizens. The country has a high literacy rate, with the majority of the population able to read and write. Botswana has a universal healthcare system, providing free healthcare to all citizens. The country has made great strides in combating HIV/AIDS, with one of the highest treatment coverage rates in Africa. Botswana is known for its traditional handicrafts, including pottery, basket weaving, and wood carvings. The country has a rich culinary tradition, with dishes like seswa, shredded beef, and bogobe, maize porridge, being popular staples. Botswana is a peaceful country, with low crime rates and a strong sense of community. The country is known for its warm hospitality, with visitors often greeted with a smile and a handshake. Botswana is a land of festivals and celebrations, with events like the Matisong Festival and the President's Day celebrations drawing crowds from across the country. The government of Botswana is a parliamentary republic, with a president serving as head of state and government. Botswana is a member of the Southern African Development Community, SADC, and the African Union, AU. The country has a strong human rights record, with laws protecting freedom of speech and expression. Botswana is a leader in women's rights in Africa, with women holding key positions in government and the private sector. The country is known for its progressive environmental policies, with initiatives to protect the Okavango Delta and combat climate change. Botswana is a peaceful mediator in regional conflicts, often hosting peace talks and negotiations. The country has a strong sporting culture, with football, soccer, being the most popular sport. Botswana has participated in the Olympic Games since 1980, winning medals in track and field events. The national dish of Botswana is seswa, a slow-cooked meat dish served with pap, maize porridge. Botswana is home to the Kalahari Desert, which covers much of the country's land area. The country has a thriving film industry, with filmmakers from Botswana gaining international recognition. Botswana is a leading producer of beef in Africa, with ranching being a key industry. The country is known for its traditional architecture, with round huts made of mud and thatch roofs being a common sight in rural areas. Botswana has a strong tradition of storytelling, with folk tales and legends passed down through generations. The country has a vibrant art scene, with artists like the Pong Visual Arts Center gaining recognition both locally and internationally. Botswana is a leader in conservation efforts, with initiatives to protect endangered species like the African wild dog. The country has a strong sense of national identity, with the flag featuring blue, white, and black stripes representing water, peace, and harmony. Botswana has a diverse climate, with hot summers and mild winters in most parts of the country. The country is known for its traditional dance styles, with the tsatsub and satapa being popular at festivals and celebrations. Botswana has a strong musical tradition, with genres like kwasa kwasa and kwaito being popular among the youth. The country has a rich history, with archaeological sites like Tsotolo Hills providing evidence of human habitation dating back thousands of years. Botswana is known for its friendly people, with a strong sense of community and hospitality. The country has a strong tradition of oral storytelling, with elders passing down wisdom and knowledge through the generations. Botswana is a peaceful country, with low levels of crime and a high standard of living. The country has a strong tradition of democracy, with regular elections and a free press. Botswana is known for its vibrant festivals, with events like the Maida Song Festival and the President's Day celebrations drawing crowds from across the country. The country has a strong sense of national pride, with the flag featuring blue, white, and black stripes representing water, peace, and harmony. The country has a diverse wildlife population, with animals like elephants, lions, and giraffes roaming freely in national parks and game reserves.